Understand music. Understand music.
Ranik, me who watch papa?
Nyamia dum. Yo.
Hey, who was I for papa?
Ni nyina ye nyamia dum ara kwa.
Hey, skadi de. Amanda na any man de pa ya asemu.
So who aye fe?
Papa ben, eja, kakra.
Ha.
Amanda na any man de pa.
Oh, Amanda. You know what? The power of love is stronger than the rolling of the sea.
Hey, Braniko, dear grandma. Hey,
Amanda, you'll be in fact, Senamika Senami no, and Namibua. But Nina Mono, because Bruni said, let bygone be bygone. May you be beer from him. Yamiadum, the same beer shop no crab aquaca.
Ay, and see it, I'm a say, job on home.
Yamiadum, say, what's us in any MBC? No affairs, she had the room. Amanda, me try see dream who di Amanda me who adipoti am de Amanda. Me who. And so eja ni nyina na.
But say no kwa di on say na enu kwa kan wo bi nti na ma me be hia wo ha say no. Ade at ya George no waye pa.
Taxi driver
no. Ade odi aye Amanda. Amanda say wo kan you won say wo kai say wo ka che say wan kai ensu obeka ya sere ene we dey wo su papa na hu Amanda wo be bon sem say nkas Amanda sorry ni dua su papa Amanda ye say basa
ah taxi driver na ye ne dey
wa ye ne dey what na kuma ko fo ba foforo
waja no
hwe otimi dinaye no e wo ma foforo anim na no kra de Amanda Kofi ho no ye say wo say ai ade o ye nurse fo no mo so nkra num ni bi no oba mo fie ho ana no bi anwo fie ho
sada boy na
she oka no ne current girlfriend anim e ma Amanda de sun te me na me ko gina em kokuma no te say de mo ayadin Amanda pa say de na Amanda tia na time a woni ne wo ho say de na wo hwe ne say de na Amanda tin te say de anyo te say de bi say wo hu no kra me nya sure so be ye
all right Amanda say me de me pese me die tribute what they were now nim kwan a ode ne befa so but ade we yam nwanwa pa enti na taxi drivers no e che say wo be hu taxi driver ye je ne car ne ochina ne sika sem aye basa na che say ma sem nko a
kra won for mo bi esko Amanda wo ma Amanda kapre Amanda ne sa no aduane na boy na sa befi wa beda woni na beda wo agusu no asa di aduane wo ho de bia na me ne ku
Babeda boy ni babeda mo dem o.
E dan na wo so ma ye han ye no beda dem
me rented dan no kra me na mu da.
Dan na me kun ma to ko dia me ne kun o mu hwie o.
Boy ni mfere hwie.
Mfere na ni nwa so.
Oba dem.
Oba awia nso Salome awia no oba. Awia no oba.
Oni bibi diama Amanda do atie free mu kra ne say boy no. Emra me hu boy na nam say Amanda bibi nko yi.
Ai ka wo jai be man munyamfo te say akofo obi ko at least on for obi anka bi o chen wa na obro so kakra eno kwa na ma ne ye ya no
na say boy no me dwen ho a say eyentin ana sika ana anode
ni nyina so oni bi o na no nanum kasa pa enyenyenyenyenye woni hwe de wo kan ni nyina oni bi
all right
enti me ba ye nyina ne say Braniko e say abofra oye o sabi oye ne hu yegu na so ye ntwa nto ntwene so ati ase ye pa nti de na ka me se mesrew mia na mano bine mu na me ka se nka obeje wo back but still na de waye na adwane me se wanu na nti mesrew we de wa de na wo pe no once a lover always a lover me bro for no practical
se wa me mpese me hwe wanim na respect be am wa monti meka se Matias
de me so ye hu bibi mana ne ko fa ne sa na se dia ye ne de ye te ha se ya na ye nti asempa de wo ye no kwa me yem hihye me
o de yenko me ne obekasa why se si ya de me ka se de wo kan me ji atumu ana se me nyi ntumu what I say into the ye be san kasa why
Brand ko say we be stop free dey na na dem mami hu so
say one
you taxi driver on fahwe mo ba na sapai na dey o wasa bedi menya hwe oh
one kasa me pe wasem enye wo anka me baby mi nim baby anka me wo sisi a ahia na e dey
hey brand we na ka me nyen so
oh
mani a enye fe
me cry last time I knew see am say mama o ko mama o hwe enye fine
oh
dey wo ye mama
me ha me pa
all right so dey bibia na am wa bia o hia bia betimi afrem why momo dey say momo ye common
me number na to dey wo ha na o kai say bia onye ya na asem dey beba me ne kan tino they say brand ko anya o ba bia na when I get ofofro
debi say dey me focus on me business any me sikasem. They say the man some of the enima kwam. Nim say be ma de wo ye adwuma na wo bibia. E ma some say dey enye me ankasa kra me ho ne ma some nye. Timatu me ho fo.
Mate babra ni ko ya de amana ha me pa Netflix account na wo yi me face me so.
Hey say wa anytime bia wo bo we so.
Me hwe movie
me I do back. Yen ko na me si kwekwe. Why? Me I do back.
Randerstown music.
Asa da bia me ka kire no ya Adjololo pedmo ya Adjololo pedmo se ka na ma me ka mo no hwe station so wana ne ka e fe che me ka aha ti se e be kuma se drop e kra de ko yo suba Legon oh Legon transport dit ma ko ozo boss transport ne ko e bia ko yo be tra de du why Legon ah, they say, Adjololo. Ultimo den o tia me say o yiri ye na be sia me say. We dey the next if na nkwa bi no one kasa dey be na nkwa
kakra bi pera meti yo.
Kakra bi na wo tina nkwa fi school ba be o me dey di. O dey di o yiri dey na sa.
O ye kwa jo fo kra so kan.
O say kwa jo fo sa kan o.
Na driver no way.
Oh, Titi. Madam, okay.
I don't young boy ana.
Legon.
Mi ko Legon.
Trust young boy. Nipa ba ko tim da ba.
Ase kwa na nyem. Ina ye mai.
Ana mi nipa ba.
O de bi obi am ko me pem tino. O de metia.
Ana for plane young boy.
Oh driver, I don't.
O batua. Hey, unia. Apeke.
Cobra.
Yeah. Yo, me go kuma say. Yo, Mommy, watch why, Miss Rowe. Mommy, watch it 20. Why? I need to be at 20, Davy. I need to be at 25. Will be able to Miss Rowe. Mommy, maybe turn out the people.
Yeah, I'm coming down.
Patricia, I'm going to start. I am a second nurse. Why? Just say jam na. Me nan say me tin jam na. Ani zo.
Driver, I'm not here. I'm not serious. You have a full car was out there. Kobby, I may call. Who was he from? Aqua Quadrant and Mood. Share the TV of this world. Yeah, I just said, oh, I'm there. Me go. I see, I say, my aqua.
Good morning. Patricia, when driver now over Kyekyeku. Oh, Didi. Oh, no, you know who Didi. I don't know. Driver. Nothing. Somehow you're human. No, fuck, I'm not just me go school. School, you cost me on time. No, the parking car, parking pocket, when you say, oh, mommy, me about come with the makeup and ask me, Didi, and mammy, Didi, man, 2 minutes. One cash wait, Janice Canim, and I also say, I'm going to a partner Canim, and I said, when I'm really good, I know one now to tell him, how go a bit at me, some of snack with you. Uncle Henry said, I said, also catch me. Oh, I said, also catch me. You are shouting on me. Who are you? My entire life, I don't like shouting. You are shouting on me. I didn't what embarrassing that. I better have to go. Me, I said, 24 Ghana cedis a month, and Miss Mammy Hamoton. She's not what's not coming my chair. And I was all talking about now, I said, the business. Huh? We are performing past what? I met it now, put up to me and pass them. Pass them. Are you out of your sense? Don't never. I want to better me. Pass them. Sister, when you so much, so you better have a Was Yasama Papa, and then when I saw. When I saw for be on Bonamania say, oh, sister, come on, didn't me, baby, Mammy, wait 2 minutes, be, Mammy didn't be able to be out. Our what's now did not make our hands and one shabby.
What one? Sister, if you buy now with nothing,
It's a phone.
don't jump in our throat. I only may come near animal. Ah, Ukrum woman in countdown. One more back.
Sewa, Amanda Mihuni.
Amanda.
Yeah. I want you to confide in me. I want you to be sincere with me. And then there course between Winnie and Amanda.
Me and Amanda.
That's me because from the look of things, you know, maybe so was if you know the answers that she gave me, you know, as it looks like there's a fresh and be a course.
Ofa, Amanda some dear. Me this is say no. Now come say me Kobby, but what be some minute dear just a meka.
What is it?
Ofa. Me see one American house taxi rank or traffic lights na so say taxi rank bi o.
Oh yeah.
Taxi driver bi o ho. Your friend Yaw George. Taxi driver they be a pon adwuma na wa ma ye left near the abefie me ni tie no na Amanda ne twempena amoni Amanda de da basa ofa me so otimi befie ha nyina
wait tell me it's a joke
ofa
Amanda kwako fat taxi driver
me see wo de her sister mility ha opa ma me friend ma enta for ma no ha ma me friend me obi ani me see oba ha me sister wo hu na ofa wo hu na just what to say? Is you calling me friend a shortcut?
No. Upon educational level, ni nyina no, wakofa taxi driver. Idea no hu ono.
Enu hu ntokwa. Me nim de hu me say wo fa me sure say boy na ye ne bibi. Wa ye na duro, e bi ode na fa baabi na wa chi Amanda adwen wo fa. Share.
This is incredible.
Me say hu na wo wetimi na wo sa ba ko say aso ne ti ba ko say ne tia say na wa wo na to atwene.
Hey!
She, omu she, nenu kasa basa be man.
I'm insisting from Amanda. Ekaya born no. I was expecting her to bring somebody relevant in the society. Just a mere taxi driver.
Se no one ni ko ho. And we jai ni so wo kai
Hey, that guy. What happened?
Why me say Amanda, boy na anya ne hwe, ni ko anya ne hwe. Okunhu Yaw George. Na afi osesa ne suban bra yi frɛ na wo mfa me se bra yi ni nyinam na bra ne timi de yakɔtena restaurant o no atɔ aduane ama me ɛne bibia still Amanda ampene di bra ya tempam no trontom bra yi ama bra ne kɔ.
To be frank with you, say nye wo na wo kan same way and come in jindi because that guy was a noble guy. Niko he obi oton phones anya kra no he was supporting you here and there. What has he obejiri say this phone kra me one of the mami. Oh, I see. But that's unim.
Minim no.
If in case I'm say fano Kobby bi o wa.
Me de obekɔ minim wo fie wenye fie mpu no mote minim ho. Me de obekɔ me so nsa se ya fa da wunim nia na. Me de obekɔ.
Say ya wo kwa adwuma right. E kira no pa meba. Na nka wo de mako fie ho. Na sa taxi driver no. Wo se ni din de
Yaw George.
Mate, me that's why. To the enko na me drop why.
Afa na ho ma me bibia.
Yanko. So mo number.
Eno ame number.
Very sure. I'm a so-called taxi driver and did Amanda ever.
Me kwa me di kan ba ho fa na mnim se we nkramai bu se almost our kramai bu ha we yachi no kramai bu ha.
Jesus Christ. The Amanda dey no hu wo sabranti ni mu.
Me so so ye na dru.
Obi ya spend so much on you, you go school to become a professional nurse. Now go fa be ma be fear somebody who sleeps here.
What's no cry when usa kwotro shame. E kai busua abo.
This is incredible.
Yeah. Obi ani ha. Omo wa ha, omo pake omo taxi no ha hwe kramai. Kedan no mo dem no kramai na se pie free mo ban. Kramai na se ni buo no kra wo mpem. Se we na se buo ma no.
I'll still find out more of this. Jesus Christ. little boy. One of them was fascinating, open, right?
You
don't know.
Excuse me. Who are you calling little boy?
So you see this as a qualified and a full entity.
Sister,
boss,
I don't know so anymore.
Hey, madam.
Who's talking to you?
Madam.
Hey.
Who are you looking for?
Then let me do this introduction. Amanda, you me what fussy.
Amanda,
and I've heard say, whoa.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
So it was just inconspicuous.
Baby, please let me come. Master, boss, macho. I maintain the way I say.
You are not aware you are inconspicuous.
Maybe
I don't care who you are.
Now, no be a name. I don't know what you
Madam.
Hey,
you relax. Let me handle this.
Send you see print one way out. Minimo da, also nimi da, but be very careful.
Do you know you're trespassing? You uninvited. No one be like
just anyhow.
What kind of fear are you talking about?
This.
This.
Baby, I won't say Buchia and Sin.
Ha, Abani.
Into Hannah to me, me what fascinates on.
Yeah.
Hannah to me, what fascinates on.
Yeah, so be team up supermarket, Cababo. Minimum also need me.
Exactly.
It is the best thing for you to do is to walk out of this house
out.
and go your way.
This is not a house.
Because if you joke right now, what you mean MOB fee? I'm not threatening you.
You can't do that.
Listen, let me tell you. The native daughter that causes the rain to fall shouldn't be afraid of the tender that follows it. You have no idea who I am. And I may tell you, to every action there's equal and opposite reaction. I'm giving you just 24 hours.
Don't give him.
If you don't come to give an account what you did to my nephew, sorry, my niece, you see what the world will come from. You don't know. They don't know.
It's too loud. Get out.
I am loud.
Yeah, very loud. Please move.
Say you won't see no Amanda.
That's what you don't know.
Babe.
Look, this world will become like.
Maybe what for dear deal.
Please, my concentration because also a native doctor. I just want to know. Are you a native doctor?
You have no idea.
Oh dear, when anything
you have no idea.
I'm going
to make this work. Now listen, I'm going to make this world a small vessel for you to occupy.
Oh, you are
before you come to that,
you see the world. You can't do hute. You can't do foco. You can't do nothing. Move. Just get out.
Relax. Me, I don't know them.
He can't do anything. Don't be scared. He can't do anything. Do you know Amanda?
No.
Exactly.
Sakamwa.
I'm
shaking.
When you're done, just move.
See, your days are numbered.
How many days?
You hear from me. Let's go.
Massacre. You think that what? You can't do foco. You can't do nothing. Babe, do you know Amanda?
Yeah. No, yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah. I don't know her.
You don't.
But the native doctor part is very important.
Oh. Don't be moved. Obejina hana shakaya makaya ninti. Ontimi nya hwe. O bibi ankoye ni sese ya. Ontimi nya hu.
Because nipa minimum cry. I na native doctor bam so. That is my problem.
No, the no problem. Native doctor.
He said.
O die akonya me so me die akonya. Me kwa me ne bosom no.
Different types of akonya. Maybe wo akonya nya akonya. But I don't know whether his chair is killing.
Akonya bia ye akonya. Aren. Ko be no fiso. Ontimi nya wo, ontimi I don't know as a ho popo.
Oh, me humpo. Say me nim no da, you know, I'm surprised.
Unim na unim no.
Me nim no.
Let's go. Let's go. Unim no me boy.
Let's can last word.
Unim na unim no.
I can person ko sesa no.
Baby, unim na unim no.
Said my days are numbered.
Oh, your days are not numbered. Your days can never be numbered.
That is my problem.
Me jina we chon senti na me jina we nim na me cheste. Power so di be na me face powers no. Ma be me hu.
Yanko na there.
Go inside.
You get inside. You.
They be ask who show kind.
You go first.
No, who
ladies first.
In this case, you are the lady who they call na wopo.
I don't know the girl. That is my problem. I don't know that Amanda girl from anywhere.
Unim nurse ni Amanda.
I don't know her.
Exactly. Let's go.
But do you know her?
I met her here.
Me too, I met her here.
That's the same thing.
That's the same thing.
Let's go, baby.
Hey.
Come, baby, come, baby.
A problem is, say my days are numbered.
Your days can't be numbered, but say. And I want him, Nana.
Me, baby, I'm surprised, Krasa is sister.
Amanda.
Oh.
Nico, where is Nicholas?
Oh, when you feel, or where Jimmy.
I me create you as a sister, be a one can. Why are you always lying to me?
Wolf, I'm not lying to you.
You know what I'm capable of doing when someone lies.
No, but I'm not lying.
What does Nico? Tell me the truth. Whatever has happened, say what can you not me? Nico, ya woden. Abra wuko school, me and me show 100% until that guy came in. What a lot. Inti Kobby Tianeka say. A woman somewhere no more shas and no money no more dear. But that guy doesn't deserve that. Okay. Now so when you need jumpa, now we beer. We for somebody more responsible. A taxi driver. When him say makoni fie.
What far?
Inti just this guy. Yao George, a taxi driver or a American household.
Say what?
Until you chose him over Nico. Why? Ahuofe Krani said, "Men call hono makwako to no about and this guy denies you. So Nimo baby. And according to Sewa Krani, this is not the first time.
Say what?
Until Nancy why basa make us to cry the Amanda that I know I will pay life. One okra won't can. Nina is as a result of broken heart. I see. Look, I mean can't send being true. And when you focus him, be say won't say chibe or then tessa won't say him. That Nico guy was meant for you. I don't the day no. When we say what I Yao George and where Jawa Kofi ni pafufu. And I will take it. Of course.
Na Yao George ni oba fufu.
Onye bema.
And was sign deny me.
Of course. Now you say when you nyankopon. Share. Taxi drivers, carpenters, masons, painters. You think they are reliable? Bet him they will crack to almost all. You are joking. They are quiet. But you know be him. Can be a fast to be you reconcile with Nicole for you to have your life back. No? Do it. And it has to be now. If not, that's a guy now say you think have to find your own means to go back to him and be okay. Your welfare matters. Is that how you were brought up? There been Amanda what shall mema say like obe pe mema and I'll be the mema grow that ben. When? And even who taught you? Okay, why? Go.
Say what? It is a way to me actually of a dinner hawk because I'm some way in actually me offer. Hey. I'm more fast and call honor. Or thank God to Yao George Bew. So no, or bad as I to hope you. And I was denying me, being dreaming over. And there was only me. Me. Yao George. Me of a bow, but Sabbath Jews on your backside too. I said, deny him so near me.
Hello family, what's good? 3940 here. Guess what? NKB Studios free access to his unreleased movies on YouTube. Unreleased movies on YouTube. Episode 2, episode 3, episode 4, episode what. And then baby. So link in that channel and also tap on the link. Just pay 10 Ghana cedis. 10 Ghana cedis pay to watch the unreleased episode. 10 Ghana cedis and sana baba to public amu biya nya biya. But I hope so any secret there to your 10 Ghana cedis pay. Na bo link na so edo ko channel no so straight. Then do akwa share episode 2, episode 3, episode 4, episode 5. Anya ka so go to your old trend there o de koye bra o de koye bra ni be dia dance here. Koye bra ni be dia dance here. I love you all. Happy Christmas. Love active.